how to draw lung in the examination. First, you will take a point. From the point, you will start a line which descend downwards and medially. Then you will draw vertical line up to base of the lung. You will do a concave base, and then from the apex you will draw a line which is the posterior border of the lung. So this is the right lung. In the right lung you will get an oblique fissure and a transverse fissure. So this is the upper lobe, this is the middle lobe, and this is the lower lobe. This is the apex of the lung and this is the base of the lung. This is the anterior border. So this is the right lung. Next, how you will draw the left lung? You will draw the left lung. Again you will take a point. Then you descend the line downwards and medially. It comes to the same level and then vertically downwards, and from the middle you should make a notch, and this is known as the cardiac notch, and this is the base of the left lung and this is the left lung, and here you will get only one oblique fissure, no transverse fissure is there. Again this is the apex, this is the anterior border, this is the posterior border, this is the base, and this is the upper lobe and this is the lower lobe. This is the cardiac notch. This is the left lung. So in this way we will draw the lung. So thank you everyone.